Everything's recording, so.
Well, you might want to wait a minute. I'm not even set up yet.
Hurry up.
Derek. Ready?
Great product placement, dickhead.
Yeah. What'd he do? Oh yeah, let me make sure I get the Budweiser in there when shrapnel comes flying.
Okay, hold on.
So how many shots is it gonna take?
Oh, fuck. Mine's all the way. I got the short one, Derek?
One.
Fuck.
Derek, we might need an intervention here.
Is this one going on YouTube?
Oh, this one's definitely going on YouTube.
Oh!
Yeah.
Did you see the baby seat?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh my
Just
God.
let the smoke roll across here.
Yeah, flipped it around, didn't it?
We spun the boat
Yep,
around.
spun it around.
It
Can I
did
stop
spin the
this?
boat all the way around.
Oh,
Boat's 180
hey,
degrees back.
cut a Brody.
Nice.